fix the problem of traditional greenhouse strip and wiggle wire, we simply remove it completely, and then we initially plan to use this type of gasket, it's an N shape or C shape depending how you look at it, and then push this 15 mil tubing, square tubing into this, so then press into the groove. That way we have 3 surfaces to seal. But the problem is this square tubing fit snugly into the groove, so when we add this silicone gasket, it's too much, it's too thick, so we couldn't use it this way. So instead we cut it in half, use only the half of it. So L instead of a C, we simply use it as a L. Then we have 3 surfaces to seal. So then this way we can press in the square tubing into the groove and seal from the top and seal at the back. So this way we have 2 surfaces to seal, to press against the woven film, and that will seal the liquid completely. This is the foolproof way. We do have our own mechanism of attaching the film to the structure. Special mechanism basically involve 2 parts. One is a groove, one is a receiving strip. Simply press in and then lock it, but that requires funding and also molding, just to make both parts at the same time. So anyway, that takes time and money. So before we get there, we simply use this way, we can still use the traditional greenhouse strip and and press in, using the square tube to seal. So yeah, that should work. The other side, that's it's just basically this thing folded back into the gutter and then fall into the gutter, so there's no way to leak. As long as we seal the gap here, then there's no other way for liquid to go but to go inside the gutter.